Ergonomic sponge holder with extended grip for comfortable intimate hygiene. The sponge on the fixed handle will help you wash yourself in the places on your body you can't normally reach. Its design makes it suitable for the elderly or for people with poor mobility, bechterev disease, limited range of motion of the shoulder joint, spinal pain or due to excess weight and other limitations. Sponge holder consists of 2 printed parts, a sponge, and a string. To glue the printed parts together you will need instant glue. The package contains 2 printable models. Add both parts to your slicer and place them parallel to each other and rotate them to fit on the printing surface. I recommend using bigger infill for the parts, this will achieve a longer lifetime. I left the other settings as standard for PLA material. To glue 2 parts together properly, use glue on the whole surface, marked in green. To make the joint as robust as possible I use grooves, slots and flat surfaces. The next step is to tie the sponge to the holder. Thread the string through the holes, this will prevent the sponge from moving back and forward while washing. The last step is to attach the string to the hanging. That's all. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.